Welcome to my math class. Today I will handle math contest level problems. Okay, let me read the question and then you guys just stop my video and try about 4 minutes and then we go back to the solution. Okay, I'll give you lecture. Number 1. What is the sum of 10,000 terms of the sequence 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 7, negative 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15. Okay, you understand, right? When you write down in this pattern, what is the sum of 10,000 numbers? Now, number 2. Gina registered microbiology class at the Dung Dung College, scheduled from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. On the fourth day of the class, she left home and drove at an average speed of 20 miles per hour to be at the class on time. But she was 5 minutes late. So, on the following day, she left home at the same time as on the fourth day and drove at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. Then she found that she still had 5 minutes left before class began. What is the distance from Gina's home to the school? Okay, you understand, right? Okay. Now you stop video and try 4 minutes. If you don't stop video, you just see my lecture, then you don't get any. Okay, you try first 4 minutes and then come back. Stop video. Okay. Did you try about 4 minutes? Now. Okay, let's go to the solution. The sum of first 3 numbers is 0, and the sum of the next 5 numbers is 0, so and so. So let's see here, 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but less 2 is minus. Okay, this one make a 0, this one make a 0 again. But this was first group 3 number, second group 5 number, and then the last number was 15. Is that right? 7 numbers. Now, then here, 3, 5, 7, like that. So, using arithmetic sequence theorems, we go arithmetic sequence. General term is 3, 5, 7, each time increase by 2, each time increase by 2, so 2n. Once you get that, you try n for any term. For example, second term you have 5 numbers, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. From 4, how do you get 5? You add 1. Means arithmetic sequence, general term is 2n plus 1. Now, this 3 is a sum of first group, so 1 times 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, this value. And the second one, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5. And then what about the last value? Last value give them 3 plus 5, got it? And the last value here, 3 plus 5 plus 7. Then we need to get sum of all terms. So we need to get Sn. You already know, right? Arithmetic sequence. To get sum of n terms, we just use sigma notation and then simplify. Then 2 times sigma k and plus n. If you have any problem, you can go www.A.durkkim.com and then algebra 2 and arithmetic sequence, or if you have trouble, you go to my website and go index. In index you find your content like arithmetic sequence, then you can study that. Okay, now so you remember sigma k was 2 times n plus 1 divided by 2 n plus n, so 2 and 2 cancel. You got it, right? And then simplify. This one come out n squared plus 2n. when you write this one gives you value of last one of the group. Then this one gives you last value close to 10,000. But if you try here 100 squared is already 10,000, so you have a 2 and then too much, right? So we try one less. Then try with n equal 99. When you have n equal 99, so this value gives you 99 squared plus 2 times 99 is 9,999. So which is very close to 10,000. Okay, which means when you write down the numbers like in this pattern 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 7, negative 8, like that, all the way up to 99th group. 99th group, they give you some value with the last value negative 9,999. As we saw, each group give you some zero. So up to here, some will be zero again. And then the next term will be 10,000 here. 10,000, right? Yeah, because up to 99 group, the last value is negative 9,999. All of them make a zero. So automatically only one number less. That is 10,000. So for this question, the answer will be 10,000. So how would you use solution? Is it correct or not? Okay. Now, next question. We have to define the distance as a d or whatever letter you like to set equation. So once we say distance from Gina's house to the school is d, then we can make equation d over 20 minus d over 30. Okay, distance divided by speed per hour give you number of hour, and distance divided by speed per hour give you number of hour. So first day 20 miles, and then second day at 30 miles. So difference was 10 minutes. Okay, one time 5 minutes late, one time 5 minutes early. Means what? Two cases, if you compare, difference was 10 minutes. Or because this was the speed per hour, we have to get figure in terms of hour. That's why d over 20 minus d over 30 equal 1 over 6. Once you set equation, you can see this one is just algebra 1 problem, right? And you solve for d, then d will be 10. So the answer is 10 miles. Distance from Gina's house to school is 10 miles. Okay? Not that much problem, right? Okay, thank you for watching my video. Okay, see you next time.